Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, we will show you the major advantages of the vertical EPS block molding machine from a safety perspective. 1. Quadruple Protection. The two pieces of series wound electrical contact pressure gauge located at the main machine body with upper limit of pressure. 1.2 bar. If either one of them breaks, the other one still works. The upper limit of pressure at the safety valve on the main block machine body, 2 bar. The protector electrical contact pressure gauge located on the electrical control box with upper limit on 0.5, 0.8 bar. The aforementioned 4 safeguards ensure the protection of the EPS block molding machine. They operate by opening the valve to relieve pressure when the EPS block machine's pressure surpasses the preset limit. 2. Dual control automatic detection of mold cavity pressure. The EPS block molding machine mold cavity pressure is monitored by 2 pressure sensors and an electrical contact pressure gauge, ensuring higher safety and stability. Pressure sensor locations. Heating 1 pressure sensor, located at the front mold exhaust pipe. Heating 2 pressure sensor, located at the side mold exhaust pipe. Electrical contact pressure gauge location. Electrical contact pressure gauge on the electrical control box, located at the same detection point as the pressure sensor. 3. 2 locking devices. Locking devices are equipped on the front and side respectively, with thickened lock rods, quenched lock bolts and hooks, ensuring strength while enhancing sealing. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.